Slide transition. Transition determines how your presentation moves from one slide to the next. PowerPoint provides several transition effects. To add transition to the slide, follow the given steps. 1. Choose a slide on which you want to apply the transition effect. 2. Click on the Transitions tab of the ribbon to access the slide transition options. Then click on More button from Transition to this slide group to see all available transitions. The most commonly used slide transitions are shown as icons on the ribbon. You can also click on the More button to see the complete list of transitions available or scroll through the list one row at a time. With PowerPoint 2016, you have the ability to see the transition effect on the slide by placing the mouse over the transition choice prior to making your selection. There are several options that you can choose to add to your PowerPoint 2016 slides. Sound and its durations. Whether to apply to this slide only or apply to all slides. Moving to the next slide on mouse click or automatically after a set number of seconds. There is also an option to loop until next sound which you can apply to the slide transition. This option will repeat the selected sound till there is no new sound introduced in the presentation.